Have you ever felt like you're not good enough? That little voice inside telling you you're not worth it? You're not alone, and you're not broken. The truth is, learning to love yourself is a journey, and it begins with simple, powerful habits. In this video, we will go through 8 practical ways to build self-love that you can start doing today. Number 1. Practice positive self-talk. How you talk to yourself really matters. If you keep saying bad things about yourself, your heart starts to believe it. Say kind words like, "I'm enough," or "I can do this." Single quotes. At first, it feels strange, but keep going. Your brain learns to believe good things when you repeat them. It's like giving water to a plant. It helps your love for yourself grow. Number 2. Set healthy boundaries. Self-love means protecting your time and energy. You don't have to say yes to everything. Saying no doesn't make you bad, it means you care about your peace. Tell others what you need without feeling guilty. Good boundaries help your mind rest and feel safe. It's a way of showing love to yourself. Number 3. Embrace your imperfections. Nobody is perfect. Even people who look perfect online make mistakes. Your differences make you special. You don't need to hide your flaws, own them. Mistakes show you're growing. Accepting who you are helps you feel happy and free. Number 4. Prioritize self-care. Taking care of yourself is important. Ask yourself, what do I need right now? Maybe it's sleep, a hug, or a healthy meal. Self-care helps your heart and body feel strong. It shows you respect yourself. You deserve love from yourself too. Number 5. Practice gratitude. Gratitude helps you see the good in life. Each day, try writing 3 things you're thankful for. It can be something small like a smile or a cup of tea. This helps you feel more joy and peace. When you focus on what you have, not what you lack, you feel better. Gratitude brings more love into your life. Number 6. Surround yourself with positive people. People around you matter. Be with those who make you feel happy and strong. If someone always brings you down, it's okay to take space. Your friends should support your growth. Kind and loving people help you love yourself. You deserve to be treated with respect. Number 7. Forgive yourself. We all make mistakes. Don't stay stuck in the past. Forgiving yourself helps you move forward. It means you're learning and healing. You're still growing, and that's okay. You deserve to give yourself love again. Number 8. Celebrate your achievements. Even small wins matter. Did you finish something hard? Smile. Got out of bed today? That counts too. Celebrate your efforts. It helps your confidence grow. Clap for yourself sometimes, because you deserve it. You are doing better than you think. Self-love takes time and care. It's okay to start small. These little habits can make a big difference. Be kind, be patient, and trust your journey. You're growing every day, and that's something to be proud of.